Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 190. So we're going to start way up here in the bow. All right, so we'll take a quick look of how Sea Ray has utilized the space for this bow on a 19-footer like this. So you can see typical Sea Ray move. You're not sacrificing anything when it comes to quality of your upholstery and seating in the front here. You got nice big seat backs with that, hand stitching almost along the entire bow. Up here at the very front, you've got a dedicated anchor locker. It's pretty awesome. You got the cleat down there. Just doesn't take up space while, take up space with storage on board. So pretty cool feature there. You're going to have storage underneath both of these seats, and you will have a full sun pad cushion. So it fills in this spot. You have a cushion here and then a slide-in cushion for the seat back here. So it'll completely close off this bow, making it kind of like a fully cushioned kind of playpen or sun pad area. A little bit of storage over here on the port side when you're coming through the walkway there. So this is a brand new hull design for 2025 from Sea Ray. A couple things I'll point out is that we did get a return of the curved windshield. So it's a super sleek look when it comes to just the whole boat and uniformity with that curved windshield. It's a little bit deeper and a little bit bigger gas tank. Just some unique features of the 2025 model. Up here at the helm, you can see we got the Simrad unit. So that's going to have your chart plotter, your Simrad. That's going to be your Mercury screen there. I'll show you the chart plotter real quick. Just so you can kind of see the layout on there. That's going to house everything you need to know about the boat while you've got it underway. Got a big full swivel captain's chair with an adjustable bolster. The seat will also slide back and forth with the adjustable steering wheel to make sure you've got the most comfortable ride imaginable. While I'm standing in here, you'll notice that we do have the bimini folded back there, but it is booted up. And if you had it spread out, it would cover to about the front of the windshield here. It would have almost the entire cockpit with sun coverage. You do have a locking glove compartment right here on the port side. Got that little handle there. And then you've got this 2-position lounger also over here on the port side. So you can slide that forward and back, face whichever way is more comfortable for you. You're going to have storage underneath each of these cushions, as well as a big ski locker underneath my feet down here. Unique feature about this boat is that it is the outboard model. So you got a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard on the back here. You got sea deck on your swim platform. So awesome clean look for the bow. Makes it a little bit safer. You got that non-skid absorbent material. And you've already got your tow bar installed on there, so you can pull any kind of ski or tuber, do any kind of water sports you want to on this SPX out there on the water. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys this storage compartment. When you opt for the outboard model, this is where your motor would go on an IO edition, but instead you get this nice large compartment. You can see we've got some stuff in there right now, but just to give you an idea of how much space you get for storage on board this outboard Sea Ray here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.